how to turn on or turn off reminder smart suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the setting page, go down and then tap on advanced features. Then in here, tap on smart suggestions. After that, go down and tap on reminder. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on reminder. And after that, you can go down and tap on the home button. Now it said that get suggestions for reminders to add based on your messages and other activity. So after that, you switch on, you should be able to get suggestions for reminders. Finally, just tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.